Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a clean girl makeup look. I've been seeing this thing all over and I wanted to try it, and I think I've mastered the art of it. So to quickly start this video, I'm going to be creating a base with my loose powder. It's the Case Beauty loose powder and I just love it, unlike the Sasha Beauty one, because it doesn't leave my face all yellow. I've been seeing girls using the Sasha Buttercup loose powder and it doesn't work for me at all, so I use one which is closer to my skin tone. I'm running it all through, even to my eyebrows, because I want to create something that I can apply my eye pencil correctly on. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I am applying concealer all over my dark spots, because I do have a lot of dark spots. My skin is breaking out quite a lot. The next thing I'm doing is to go in with my beauty blender, and as you can see, I'm not actually running it through my face, I'm just pressing it against my skin. And this concealer is just perfect because it gives kind of not full coverage, it's a bit more natural according to me, because I don't like ones which are kinda full coverage, because at least my skin, I know it has a lot of dark spots, so it just leaves all the dark spots a bit visible so that the makeup can look a bit natural, if you get what I mean. So this is my face after the concealer. So what I'm going to be doing next is to use my spoolie and my eye pencil in number 3, the Davis one. So I am blessed with natural eyebrows, but on one eye it's as if they got burnt because they are not cooperating at all. But I do have natural full eyebrows which kinda help, so I just darken the end part, and at the front part I try to be as light as possible. This side usually gives me a lot of challenge because they don't look compatible, they don't look like sisters, they look like distant cousins, but at least I do have eyebrows. So what I'm doing next is to go in with my concealer to kind of shape those eyebrows. And somebody asked for a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to be doing a clear one than this one if a lot of people kind of request. Afterwards, I go in with my beauty blender to just kinda blend out all that concealer that was on my eyebrows or near my eyebrows. Now comes in the fun part. I go in with my foundation, and I just love this foundation because it's kinda oxidizing. After sometimes it blends so seamlessly with my skin. Right now it might appear a bit reddish, but after some time it tends to go a bit darker and kind of sticks to your face. So I do prefer this foundation to all the other foundations that I've been using, and I actually don't know the company because it kind of rubbed off from the bottle sticker, and I don't know the company, but this foundation is the bomb. See guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is how my face looks like after the foundation. And it's not full coverage, but it's kinda okay. according to me, because you're going to be striving for that natural look. So the other thing that I'm going to be using is my foundation stick from Black App. And the previous foundation and this foundation stick just blend so seamlessly. And you know the way people usually like look, their face is so done up, yet their neck is kinda like you can't tell if it's the same person. Well, this foundation and foundation stick just appear so natural, and combined it doesn't give me a lot of stress when it comes to kinda retouching up during the day, and that's why I just use them together. This is my face. So once I'm done with the foundation, I go in with my concealer to kind of highlight my eyes and also the bridge of my nose. So I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. So I'm going to be using the loose powder from Kiss Beauty still to bake that highlight, and as you can see, it's not yellow, it's kinda brown like mocha, and that is what I love, because the Sasha banana, I don't know what it's called, that loose powder doesn't work for me at all. So what I'm using right now is a darker shade of concealer to kinda highlight the parts that I want to, or to contour rather. And now I am blending out all that concealer. So this is whereby I blend out all the loose powder, and I'm running it through my eyelids because I won't be applying any eyeshadow in this look, and we also want that part to appear as matte as possible. Not matte, but kinda uniform with the rest of the makeup. So hereby we are going to highlight my, rather, I don't know what that part is called. Is it the eye bone? Eyebrow, I guess. In order for the highlights to appear natural, I am going to be using a damp beauty blender to kind of press in the highlights to my face, and that is what I usually do. Even for the highlights that I apply on my cheekbone, I just go through it again with a damp beauty blender to kind of press it in my face. So what I'm doing right now is to apply a dark eye pencil the bottom part of my eye, because I won't be applying any mascara or any eyeliner. And for my lips, for the clean girl makeup look, your lips have to be glossed. Do not use lipstick, just gloss it down. And in order to kind of shape out the shape of my lips, I'm using a dark eye pencil. And then I just blend it out and go in with this lip gloss. You guys, this lip gloss is golden. They have pigmented it golden, but once you kinda lick it, as you are going to see, I don't know which kind of miracle works here, but this lip gloss has been my favorite for the longest time. So for the clean girl makeup look, you have to use the small loops. I don't know if they're loops or hoops, but the small earrings, and you're going to be seeing why, because they just bring everything back together, especially with the hair. So for the hair, you have to do a low bun, Good thing I have my cornrows because they suit my face, but the low bun is the simplest and the cutest way to put your hair. So this is how the look is at the final stage. You guys, I just love the simplicity of it. I look like I woke up like this, but I just put a little bit of effort into my look, not a lot of products, and this is how my face looks like in a close-up. You guys, I totally love it. I had to add in my nose ring, and this is it. This is everything. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and click on the bell notification. Bye. Bye, you guys.